Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Pocket Ledger Easy Guide. Start by opening the app and tapping New Ledger to create your first account and currency. Name accounts logically like cash, checking, or savings and set opening balances. Add categories such as rent, groceries, and income to simplify tracking. Enable automatic backups and sync so your data stays safe and available across devices. To record transactions quickly, tap the Quick Add button, enter the amount, select a category, and save. Use tags for projects or clients so you can filter later and view totals easily. Attach a photo of receipts for proof and context, especially for reimbursements or deductions. Review recent entries daily to catch mistakes and maintain accurate balances without needing long reconciliation sessions. Make reconciliation a habit by comparing your Pocket Ledger to bank statements once a week and resolving discrepancies promptly. Run built-in reports to see monthly spending, income trends, and category percentages for budgeting insights. When moving money between ledgers, record transfers rather than withdrawals to keep balances accurate. Small daily checks prevent larger headaches and help your budgeting stay on track without stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.